Oh, she's coming to me. What the fuck? No thanks. For you. Someone is looking for you.
Bye. I'll be in the garden zone.
Not important to me. Way down by the edge of the reason. Let's begin the show. And now the really wanna know is where all the good people go. I've been changing channels, I don't see them on the TV show. Where are the good people go? I don't know. They died? We got the hips and watch we saw. When I the good, we got this and that, just. Okay. This one is tough. Yeah.
I don't know what is behind. Não sei, pá.
Não sei, pá.
Vamos ver, vamos ver.
Oh yeah, podemos ir ver.
Podemos ver monkeys.
Monkeys? No, aí não. Macaco.
Macaco?
Yeah, monkey means macaco.
Okay.
We call it
Baboon.
macaco in Portuguese. Babuino.
Babuino.
Yeah, babuino. Like those one with big nose.
Careful, don't fly, no?
Yeah, I will not.
Because like it's wood
Oh yeah.
and you have like just flip-flops.
Are you sure there is no lion or something like that?
But so what's the name of this one?
This guy, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Bontebok.
Oh, there are giraffes.
What?
All the way there.
Scheiße.
Let's go.
Then you have to go slow, no? Car is moving.
I know.
Ah, is you?
Yeah. I'm doing the.
Oh, if your baby goes, the mother will go also.
Oh shit. Sorry, babies.
She's relaxed. She's like she doesn't care.
She really don't care.
I think she's used to this. No, move, move, move. She's trying to starting being alert. What the fuck? Oh.
Oh, it's beautiful. Is
That guy is just looking at us.
yeah.
You see his husband is there sitting there. Are you thinking if you have to go there or what?
No, actually, I don't know.
They don't attack, right?
What?
I think they are quiet animals.
Marty.
What is it?
Marty.
Marty.
In Madagascar.
Madagascar. Ah, Marty! Yeah. Marty. Madagascar. The one who talks a lot. Martin. Yeah, all of them they made it because if you see, we arrested this guy from Madagascar, even Reno. We saw him, that girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, now yes, so Martin now is remaining is Alex only, the lion. Mas só que pintadas. Wow.
Wow. Cannot be this close
Yeah.
to the zebras.
Shit. Zebras.
Oh, the baby zebra.
Ah, estão a se mover. Finalmente estão a se mover. Meu Deus.
This car can drive actually.
Ah,
Yeah.
but it's not a proper car for this road.
Really not.
Welcome.
Oh, stay with us, please. Bye bye.
Adeus.
Oh, you're beautiful. It's going back.
The lonely zebra. Oh, man, he came to pose for you.
Yeah. J'ai vu les bambis.
Yeah, they're too small. They're really small. Bambi. Fuck. It's like a big cat.
So beautiful.
Yeah, she's not moving. It's moving. Ah. Shit. But I have a good view. She's in front of me. Sayela. Cheetah, say hi. Say hi. Could you take one picture of me and him?
Oh yeah, don't go. Come on. I'm fucking scared. Yeah, she was coming to me. Battery is dying. Oh, the big one is there. What the fuck? See, the big one is there. Man, close the window. I don't want to be food. Finally. Battery is dying. Oh, the big one is there. What the fuck? See, the big one is there. Man, close the window. I don't want to be food. Finalmente encontramos leões. Pois é, pessoal, finalmente encontramos a atração principal, que são os leões. Pensamos que não iríamos encontrar por causa da chuva, mas eles estavam aqui dentro. Sorry. Finalmente encontramos os leões, como são bem grandes mesmo. Meu Deus, deixa eu dar um pouquinho de zoom. Uau! Uau! Did you see that? Fuck's sake. Xiii, valeu a pena ter visto. Oh meu Deus. Change it fast.
Better when you came around, and you were gonna make me cry.
Make me cry.
And it's breaking my heart to watch you run around, 'cause I know that you're living a lie. That's okay, baby, 'cause in time you will find.
Goes around, goes around, goes around,
So I went back around. Goes around, goes around, comes all the way back around. Goes around, goes around, comes all the way back around. Goes around, goes around, goes around, comes all the way back around. Hey girl, you're like Justin Timberlake.
I know of him.
Yeah, okay. So that's not
You can play anything. Play anything you want to play.
No, we're gonna